Okay, this is a do-over. I was uploading a video last night, and some time after I was processing it, my internet went out. So sorry about that. Real quick, no more than 3.5 minutes. These questions for review from Chapter 3. I had two big issues with some of the answers that the book said, and the first was for question number 1, where you're defining a dermatome. The precaution, is that there is inconsistency amongst published maps. There is some consistency, but they all vary slightly. Now, where it says a dermatome refers to the skin area supplied by one of the dorsal roots, that's true, but what does it supply? So what I would like to do is add the word sensation. A dermatome refers to the sensation of the skin area supplied by one dorsal root. Might seem like a minor point, but I feel it is not. For number 2, 6 pathologies or health conditions that would warrant examination of sensory function. Some people put cerebral palsy, which if someone had cerebral palsy, you might want to, that might be cause for a more in-depth examination of sensory function. However, be aware that because there's such a broad definition, or such a broad spectrum of cerebral palsy, it is entirely possible to have cerebral palsy and not have any sensory loss. It could be something that is motor only, for example, spastic diplegia, where there is no cognitive compromise, there is no sensory compromise, it is purely motor and one of high tone. But you could check it anyway. Everything else was okay except number 5. This is just factually incorrect. Type of muscle receptor senses tension. That is correct. It is a Golgi tendon organ. Remember tendon, tension. That's how you can remember that. And how does it affect the muscle when it's under extreme tension? This answer is partially true. The Golgi tendon organ does indeed sense tension, and under extreme tension, the Golgi organ is stimulated, and it will then inhibit the muscle that is under tension. Period. It does not facilitate the antagonist muscle group. I know that's what it says in O'Sullivan and Schmitz. I checked with 5 other credible published sources, and they all stop with it inhibits the muscle under tension. All right, so if I have given you a grade already, I will be revising all of that, but I wanted you to be aware of those things. The ones from the motor chapter, the answers that are provided by the book are solid, so you don't have to worry about that. I apologize for the delay in getting this video out, but here we are. See you on Tuesday.